This tutorial is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your website on demand. And don't forget, subscribe for more tutorials.
How to create a WordPress coming soon page. Okay, so to do that, navigate to your WordPress site. Okay, so if you want to create a coming soon page, go to dashboard and then go to plugins on the left side. So you'll see here I have the plugin called Coming Soon Page and Maintenance Mode by SeedPod installed here. Okay, so you're going to want to install this plugin. And I'm going to delete it and then reinstall it to show you how it works, okay? So, okay, delete it. Okay, so to add that Coming Soon plugin, you go to Add New. And WordPress, a lot of people that use WordPress already use a Coming Soon page. So there are already plenty of plugins for that. So just search Coming Soon and someone already built a plugin for you. And you see there are multiple Coming Soon pages. I will just select this one because it is the most popular one with the most users. Okay, so I'll just select Install Now. And next, you want to click Activate. Okay, so when you click Activate, it takes your entire site down. It makes your entire site coming soon. So if I were to open a new tab and go to the website, or actually, if I were to open a new tab, all right, and go to the same website, logged out, by the way, it'll just say, get ready, something really cool is coming soon. Okay, so the whole entire website, if you're logged out, then you will see the coming soon message, right, over here. Get ready, something really cool is coming soon. If you're logged in, then you'll still see the website as it is. Okay? It makes your entire site go coming soon. Okay, now you can edit the coming soon message the way you want. You can add a logo, you can add a headline, you can add specific message, you can add like a favicon, even add some ads analytic code and SEO. It's pretty advanced. You have quite a few options. And if you want more options, you can upgrade to Pro for more features. All right, and there's a live preview button here, which if you click on the live preview, it shows you how it looks. So you may be asking, okay, I know now how to do a coming soon for my entire website, right? So like I said before, if you go to the website and you're logged out, it'll say coming soon. And if you do /contact, for example, it'll still say it's coming soon, right? So the entire website is coming soon. You might be asking, how do I make the coming soon only apply to a specific page? As in, what if I only want one of these pages to be coming soon? Well, I can show you how to do that. So in Pages, let's say you create a new page called New Offer, and you publish it, or actually, yeah, new offer, and you can, in here, you can type coming soon and publish it. And then inside of your menu, you can add new offer, add to menu, and you can save the menu. So what this effectively does is now you see that there's this new offer page. It's just an example. If you click on it, it'll say coming soon. But if you really want to do this, if you really want a new page that leads to a coming soon, you're actually better off just leaving the new page off of the navigation bar. All right, so you're better off taking the new offer page, removing it from the navigation bar, save. That way, if you're only updating that specific page, you can go into new offer and change up the content, right? Change up the content. You can type whatever you want and you can update it. That way, most people that visit your website will never know that that page exists. And when you're And when you want to view it yourself, you can go to you can view the new offer page or whatever your page is. And when you're ready to have the page go public, then you add it to the navigation bar. So that would be a better procedure. All right. So that is how you can create a WordPress coming soon page, right? Using the plugin or just editing a new page, but not adding it to the WordPress navigation bar just yet. Hope that helped.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please subscribe. And if you need extra help, visit AskQuesty.com and send us your questions.